whilst completing Project C of your quick win flip trade, there was a losing trade on Euro Pound November 21st that you did not take. As far as I can see, I met the criteria. This one, okay, never mind. Some of these open in this snipping tool. So when I open the second one, it disappears. Let's see here. As far as I know, I met the criteria. If I didn't take this trade, it could be that I was in a trade to the downside. I am not sure. Looking at your chart, this looks like a perfectly valid trade, right? What I would say is my trend line will start here, not arbitrarily in the middle, right? So that's important. But you do have a valid break of trend line. You have a higher high in these previous areas. So this is a perfectly valid trade. They're not going to match exactly, right? So if I was in a different trade, maybe that's why, because the rules do say that you can only be at one at a time. So maybe that's the reason. I can't really say. I need to look at my own charts, but this is a valid trade. I think your fib is anchored on a wick there, as opposed to the candle closes. It's a little bit small, but from what I can see here, perfectly valid fib trade. Daniel, was it? Nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with this trade. Perhaps that was another one. I have to take a look. I don't recall. Nothing wrong with the trade you flagged. That's exactly correct. Christine says should be from the close to the open. That's right. Good catch. Right. So our Dixie level starts at the point where the market closed the prior day and to the point where the market opened the next day. So this particular situation, we closed on the bottom of the red candle here, and we opened on the bottom of the green candle here, right? So this here is our Dixie level. Yeah, you have those backwards there, but you ignore that dash. Don't create a name for it. Save it. And all of these strategies that you see here, right, of all my templates, you can star to create your favorites, and you can do the same thing with layouts, right? I have different layouts for my different strategies. You simply put a star next to the layout, and then it will be easy here so for you to be able to click through them relatively quickly. That's how that's done. And it's the exact same way with the time frames, right? The time frames that I like looking at have a star next to them. Those are the ones that I can navigate through. I don't really do 5 minutes all that much, but it's there. So while you've gone through the quick win now, I think what you should do is just stick to the strategy that resonates with you most. Any strategy can be adapted for prop firm trading. Even SIT's strategy, even though I agree it's primarily on equity side, and that's not going to gel well with prop firms.